Even the smallest details create special moments. The edge where two materials meet blend the outside with the in. Crisp, brushed stainless steel framed by warm, smooth bamboo. Striking dark light tracks pull clutter into shadow. Together, these details form thoughtful and elevated spaces. Spaces built from the same components and also limitless in possibility and scale. This is Cover. At Cover, our engineers developed a sophisticated software tool that allows us to instantly confirm that a floor plan design is compliant with local zoning, structurally viable, and buildable within our system. We offer predictability in our entire process and a fixed price upfront. From there, we manufacture and assemble our pre-engineered set of parts that can later be installed on-site by our team in a matter of days. It's like having a full team of architects, engineers, and construction managers at your fingertips. We've created a turnkey experience that's both delightful and repeatable, tailored to how you use your space and where you live, using a fraction of the resources normally required to build a home. And we believe this. Building homes with algorithms and production lines is the future. A future with better homes for everyone.